The symbol of time that realizes the significance of education as the instrument to set human beings free through Saint Louis-Marie Grignion de Montfort's motto of God alone, which has molded numerous people to perpetuate his mission in the same direction. One of these groups of people is the Congregation of the Brothers of Saint Gabriel, who have dedicated themselves for the education of children and youths so that they will become good and worthy global citizens. This congregation has spread to establish education institutions throughout every continent in the world. This idealism of Saint Montfort has existed for 300 years, as the Brothers of Saint Gabriel are profoundly inspired by his idealism that has led everyone around him to seek fervently for the eternal wisdom. Presently, the Congregation of the Brothers of Saint Gabriel has its headquarters in Rome, Italy, under the supervision of Superior General Reverend Brother John Colaracal. There are approximately 1,300 brothers spread throughout 31 countries all over the world. In Thailand, Reverend Brother Dr. Dechachai C.P. Chan, as the President of the Foundation of Saint Gabriel of Thailand. At present, the Foundation of the Brothers in Thailand has 17 education institutions under their supervision. This includes Montfort College, Chiang Mai, which is the third education institution of the Foundation in Thailand. With the commitment of organizing education for youths in Thailand, in 1932, the Brothers of Saint Gabriel of Thailand established Montfort College in Chiang Mai, with Father Renémoniare as the manager, and Brother Simeon Rhicol as the first director to provide formal education for Chiang Mai children. According to Saint Louis-Marie Grignion de Montfort's spirit, which aimed at leading human beings to the eternal truth through education with the vision of the School for Eternal Wisdom with the following philosophies. Number 1. The ultimate goal of life is to know the truth and to attain Dharma, which is the origin of life. Number 2. Labor, OMNIA VINCIT, which means hard work leads to success in life. To put these two philosophies into practice, Montfort College has analyzed the education components of procedure, origin, objectives, and other factors to form a cycle which we have named the Montfort Way. This is the cycle of development for students to become a person who is warm, kind, ethical, and universal in character. Full refers to the optimal development in all dimensions: social, physical, intellectual, emotional, and spiritual. Warm is the quality of being dependable and happy to live with. Kind is the quality of being hospitable and serviceable to fellow human beings and the society. Ethical is the quality of being good and happy with oneself and living with contextual moral principles. Universal in character refers to possessing skill, knowledge, proficiency, and living graciously on earth. The driving process of the school towards the future with international standards is the move towards the era of competition. Therefore, the most significant factor is for everyone to collaborate together and develop the education quality of the school toward the future with purpose. Under the current administrative structure, with Brother Dr. Surakit C. Sarankunwong as the school director, the 241 Thai and international teachers and education personnel, together with 71 school officials and 3,112 students. The administration of the school consists of 5 departments, including academic, student affairs, general management, general administration, financial, and the director's office. From the past to the present, Montfort College has been well taken care of by the Foundation and has done great benefit to the society and the country. Many alumni of Montfort College have served the country in various important positions such as Prime Minister, Minister, high-ranking civil service officials, military, police officers, medical doctors, judges, teachers, university lecturers, businessmen, and scholars. With the spirit of hard work and perseverance of all parties, Montfort College has organized the educational process according to the Montfort Way, so that the students will have their own identities and characteristics of being persons who are full, warm, kind, ethical, and with a universal character in a concrete manner. The outcome of Montfort College students is evident, which has fostered the reputation of the school academically as well as through music and sport activities. These outcomes are both at the national and international levels. These factors combined have superbly reflected the development and progress of the school. The 88-year history of Montfort College has sufficiently reflected memorable and valuable achievement as the school moves forward to the future with determination and purpose. From this time forward, in order to perpetuate this legacy and commitment of our predecessors, we pledge to preserve this organization's culture effectively and develop it further in alignment with our motto, Labor, Omnia Vincit.